This is fake. The history of money goes back to before Christ 2000 in Babylon. They started using coin for the first time. In the book, The Richest Man in Babylon, it says that they used silver, copper and gold coins/bars. The first standardized and certified coinage, according to many historians, was in the kingdom of Lydia around the 7th century before Christ. But when did money become fake? aka, when this become worthless? In 1971, when the President of the United States of America, Richard Milhous Nixon, terminated the gold standard. But what is the gold standard? The gold standard is a monetary system which states that there is equal amounts of gold at the central banks as money outside the economy. The Gold Standard Act fixed the value of $1 to 25.8 grains of 90% pure gold, which meant that $1 was equal to 1.671812 grams of 90% pure gold. But leaving the gold standard meant that the central banks did not have to have equal amounts of gold as money outside the economy, which means the money we pay with is backed with nothing. Oh no, sorry. It's backed with our belief that it has a worth, but actually it's worth as much as a piece of paper. And we call this fiat money, which means it is not backed by any commodity like silver or gold or anything. And this is why inflation is so high, because more money is printed each year into the economy, which means the inflation goes upwards yearly. Maybe you understood that money is fake, but what can you do about it? Well, for this question, I have one answer: become financially free. So you have enough assets that you don't have to worry about if money is worth absolutely nothing. And the harder question is, how can you become financially free? Today, I will present you 3 ways how you can become financially free, which means making money online without showing your face. The first one is dropshipping. Everyone knows how dropshipping works. Dropshipping is a form of retail business where the seller accepts customer orders without keeping stock on hand, which means someone pays you for a product, you pay the supplier for the product and for the shipping, and you keep the rest. You can use social media for traffic, meaning doing organic, Shopify for creating a store for $1 for 3 months, and Zendrop for finding products and suppliers. It's easy as that. If you want more specific content about dropshipping, you can check out my other videos or type it in the comments and I will make it for you. The second one is YouTube automation. Most likely you have a PC or a laptop, so you can do this easily. So the basics is, you make content to YouTube, you get paid from the AdSense and from sponsorships, and you invest that money back, hire video editors, script writers to automate your business. You can use OBS, record videos on your PC, CapCut to edit videos, Eleven Labs for AI voices, Perplexity AI for script writing, and it's done. If you want more specific content about YouTube automation, type it in the comments and I will make it for you. And the third one is affiliate marketing. Any content creator can utilize this easily. Affiliate marketing is a process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's product. If you have an Instagram, TikTok or YouTube page and you have a service or a product that you like and use, ask for an affiliate link, promote it to your audience, and it's done. For products, you can use ClickBank or Digistore24, or you just write to any company for an affiliate link. If you want more specific content about affiliate marketing, type it in the comments and I will make it for you. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and learned something today. Subscribe so you don't miss out on more content like this. Have a good day. Bye.